Okay, in this video we're going over a couple of questions that have been asked in the comment section of my videos. In particular, how to make the watch easier to use. So in this video we're going over hotkeys and the control menu. Now using a hotkey we can shortcut through the menu system to enable different functions to be used by long pressing each button. So in this instance I can long press the start button and go straight to the stopwatch bypassing the menus. Using the hotkeys I can program each button or a combination of buttons to shortcut to various different functions of the watch. Now I like to have save location programmed to the lap button. Just long press it and it'll go straight to save location. Now we're indoors so we haven't got a GPS signal. So let's go back to the main watch face and show you how to program the hotkeys. So long press the up button to go to the main menu and then down to the settings menu. And then we'll go down to system and select, and then down to hotkeys and select. Now you'll see here that each of the keys is represented and a combination of keys is also represented. So for example, if I hold start and down at the same time, it will go to a particular function. Now all these hotkeys will work during an activity. So if for example I'm on a run and I run past a particular area of interest, I can just press and hold the lap button and it will save the location for me without interrupting the activity. So let's have a look at the options that are available to us. Now we're going to program the back button, so we'll select that. And here we are, save location, timer, stopwatch, dual grid, man overboard, lock the keys, Wi-Fi transmit, widgets, lap, navigation, backlight and metronome, sight and go and screenshot, change sport, straight to the controls menu, barometric watch mode, sync time with GPS and flashlight. Now I like to have my back button set to save location, so let's set that and then go back to the watch screen. Now let's check that it works by long pressing the back button, and there we go, straight to save location. Now again we're indoors so we haven't got a GPS signal, so we'll check this outdoors later on. So let's have a look at another way of bypassing the watch menu system. Now this is called the control menu and it's reached by long pressing the light button and takes us straight to a custom menu system which can be rotated to select whichever function you require. I find this menu handy for things like Find My Phone and also the Wi-Fi sync function. So let's have a look how you set up the control menu. So let's go back to the watch screen and then long press the up button which will take you to the main settings menu and then down to settings, select that, then down to system, select that and then down to control menu. Now here we can choose which items to add to the control menu. So here we can see a list of items which are already on the control menu, which we can choose to remove if required. Now to add a new one, we select Add New, and we can see the items that we can add. So we can choose to lock the keys, set the watch to Do Not Disturb, add a menu to control the verb camera, choose to switch the phone connection off, and also set the time with GPS. Now we're going to use this as an example, so we'll select that and then go back to the control menu and back to the watch face, and I'm going to look at the control menu to see if it's been added by long pressing the light button. Now we can see a line at the number 8 position of the watch. Now this signifies that there's more items than the watch can display on one screen. So we rotate to the set time with GPS and select that. Now we're indoors, so again we haven't got a GPS signal, but it's been added and it will work if the watch has got a clear view of the sky. So we've moved outside into the car, so let's have a look at the hotkey in action. So we'll long press the back button and it'll go straight to save location. The GPS signal's gained and there's our location. Press the start button to save it. Then we can choose to edit by pressing the down button, otherwise the location is saved as the date and time as default. We can change the name if required, and we can also change the icon as it's displayed on the map. So here we can select various different signs, and I'm going to select a trailhead. There we go. Now if we wanted to navigate to that location in future, all we need to go is go straight to the Navigate app, and go down to Saved Locations, select the location we've just saved, and press Go To. Now I hope that's made the watch slightly easier to use. Now this will also work on the Fenix 5, and the hotkeys will work on the Fenix 3 series of watch. So all that remains to say is thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.